Okay, let's dive in. Want a foolproof way to improvise without ever hitting a wrong note?
Meet the Major Pentatonic scale. It's basically a 5-note safe playground that completely fixes those clashing, dissonant sounds. How? We just take a standard 7-note major scale and completely drop 2 specific problem notes.
And this brilliantly illustrates why. By ditching the 4th and 7th degrees, we completely eliminate that harsh half-step tension.
So, the crucial point is, without those half steps, every single remaining note automatically sounds fantastic over a major chord.
We're left with a smooth pattern of whole steps and minor thirds, like this: C, D, E, G, A sequence.
It's crazy, but massive hits across every genre, from pop to rock, rely exclusively on this universal 5-note power.
It powers everything from the timeless folk melody of Amazing Grace to the iconic Motown bass line of My Girl.
Even legends like Duane Allman and Eric Clapton use this exact same 5-note toolbox for their incredibly expressive solos.
Let's see how this builds into practical, real-world instrument hacks that you can start using right this second.
Now, what's really interesting here is the ultimate piano cheat code. It guarantees you never play a wrong note.
Start on C sharp, play only the 5 black keys, and boom, you've got an instant, error-free major pentatonic scale.
What about guitar players? Well, we have a simple, highly visual geometric trick to instantly unlock the fretboard too.
Because of the relative minor length, major and minor pentatonic scales actually share the exact same physical shapes.
With the 3-fret shift hack, just shift down and align your pinky finger exactly on the major root note.
Playing that familiar, bluesy minor shape 3 frets down magically creates a happy, consonant major sound instead. It's awesome. Seriously, mastering just these 5 specific notes completely removes the fear of making mistakes while you're improvising.
I challenge you, grab a keyboard or guitar right now. Try the black key or the 3-fret trick yourself. So, what viral melody will you discover hiding inside these 5 magical notes? Stop scrolling and start improvising.